What up? What up? What up? Good morning. Yeah, I'm up. I'm in the office early today. I'm in. Good morning. Good morning. CPI data came out flat. Pretty good, decent news. It came out as expected. So that's pretty good news. So we're gonna see what this day holds for us today. Uh, as Nvidia, we gonna get the line in as we around 10 minutes before the open. Good morning, good morning. I am your host, the Stock Sniper. And getting ready for this day. Hopefully it'll be a great day. I'm gonna be watching Nvidia, of course, and Tesla and the good old SPY. And you don't know, we had CPI data that came out this morning and it came out even. So that's pretty decent. That's pretty decent news, I guess. And stock market had a big run up on inflation news, on CPI data, excuse me. So hopefully we have a great day today. To the upside, of course. So I got my uptrend line in there early, and we just waiting on this day to open. Hello, everybody. How you doing? How you doing? I am your host, Stock Sniper, and we're just waiting on the market to open. I've been trying to make it a habit of getting in the office 10 minutes before the market open, so I could already be ready to rock and roll and already be in the mindset of the chart. So for some reason it's moving kind of slow from going back and forth to the dashboard to the chart. So I think I'm gonna have to restart the computer after this live. So we got roughly 5 minutes before the market open. Let me get a look at my water. That's what I haven't been doing. I haven't been getting up and drinking me some water as soon as I get up. That's usually my routine. Before I do anything, I drink me some water. I've been doing it. So, and these are half a gallon jugs. So I try to at least drink a half a gallon before noon. We're like, man, Stock Sniper, you drink a gallon of water a day? Yeah, but the key to it is you got to start early. Like I was just saying, usually as soon as I get up, the first thing I do is drink basically a cup or two of water. That's usually the first thing I do. Drink about 24 ounces, right? I get up, you know what I'm saying? Whatever time I get up, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and I just start drinking water at the beginning of the day. So by the time I get in the office, I'm already about 24 to 32 ounces of water already in my system. And then by the time I go on with my day, already by noon, like I said, by noon, one of these are already gone. And I fill it up again and then just drink it throughout the day. So then by 6 o'clock, after I finish my running and working out, that's done. But I drink more than a gallon of water every single day. Easy. More than a gallon. Hello, appreciate y'all for joining me. I'm gonna check the chat before we get started. Yeah, that was crazy. That's good for you. Yeah. David Rogers, appreciate you for joining me. Appreciate everybody that's tuned in this morning. Hit the like button for me so we can get this going. Please do me a favor and hit the like button. All you got to do is double tap the screen. Tap, tap, tap. This sign right here, that stock sniper, all you got to do is hit it twice to activate the like button. We need to get more people inside of the chat. We need to get more people inside of the chat. Appreciate you for joining me. Appreciate y'all. You know, you could be anywhere else, but you're here kicking it with the stock sniper, and I appreciate it. As we got, what time is it? I got to get back over here to the screen. Right now, I'm on my, I'm in the dashboard room, and I'm able to see the comments, and I'm able to see how many people are in here, but I got to get back to the charts. So I appreciate you for joining me. If you stay, I hope it was George Floyd's fault. He was on fentanyl. Well, first of all, thank you for the comment. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, uh, that still don't mean that you gotta, officer shouldn't have to put a knee on your neck. Now, I could see if he had a gun, right? But he didn't have a gun. You know what I'm saying? And we all have addicts in our family. I'm quite sure you do too, right? I'm quite sure you know people that do drugs. And that does not mean that they have to die. That just means they got mental problems. And as being an officer, right, as of being a person of service, he's supposed to do the best that he's supposed to lock them up in jail. He wasn't supposed to put a knee on his neck, bro. So, because ain't nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. You know what I'm saying? But may God bless you and your family. Nobody's perfect, bro. We all know drug addicts. You know what I'm saying? Some of our mamas and daddies, brothers, sisters are drug addicts. And those people just need help. They don't need a knee on their neck. So I appreciate your comment. We got 1 minute before the market opens. 1 minute before the market opens. So here we go. May God bless you and your family, to all that's in the chat, and to whoever's watching this video. May God bless you. Much success for you and your family. As we watch it in video, we got 30 seconds left before this market opens. 30 seconds left before the market opens. 30 seconds left. I'm on the wrong. Okay, I was on the wrong. Yeah, I almost made a mistake. Luckily, I looked at the option ladder. I was on the wrong company. All right, here we go. Big up a shadow. Yesterday it opened on the Nvidia. We had a run up. Today it looks like we're getting a pullback. Today it looks like we're getting a pullback on Nvidia. Today we're getting a pullback. Whoa, whoa! You see how I reversed? Wow! Now we got a lower shadow. Wow! Wow! We got a huge lower shadow and a huge upper shadow. Took that, boom, out. Quick 6%. Oh, I should have stayed in. Quick 6%. First 1 minute of the market being open, I took that 6%. Wow, bro. See, that's what I be talking about. I I get out, but I just got to do it like that, man. That's just the way I trade. That's why I always miss the 30 and 40 and 50 percenters. I always miss them. We flushing all the way out. Yeah, I seen the EMAs pointing down. I jumped in on this because see, I was already hesitating because we got an upper shadow and we got a lower shadow. So I was just waiting for the EMAs to joke and for us to get below this lower shadow. I jumped in on this lower shadow, riding the momentum, and I took out right here on that trade. Really, really simple trade. 6% that quick, and guess what? I'm done. Just like that. 6%, I'm done. Everything, but see, I was expecting the market to go up, but I rode it to the downside. That was a short. Even though we see green over here and the market is all green, I took the short and just rolled it down, rode that red candle all the way down. See, that's what I was talking about yesterday. I know NVIDIA, right? And when the market first opened, when NVIDIA jumps, we always get some type of red on the next candle. That's what I was talking about yesterday. I'm glad that this didn't happen yesterday. But every majority of the time, this is what happens with NVIDIA. We'll get a good green candle right here, and then the next candle will be this. This is the movement of NVIDIA usually. This movement right here. Okay, now let me see. Let me mark the support. Let me mark the support. Or should I move this? No, this right here. Well, yeah, right about there. Since that is the bottom of the lower shadow. That's the bottom of the lower shadow. Let's see what the next candle gonna do. Is it gonna be a good bounce off the support? Oh, we going lower. Oh my God. Man, what a dump. Ooh. NVIDIA, we still a 0.5% in the green on NVIDIA. We still a 0.5%. What a move the first 5 minutes of the market. I took that short to the downside, 6% so far on the day. I think that's gonna be it for me though. I think that's gonna be it. They might try to get it all the way back down to 135, or I mean the 136 area. Appreciate y'all for joining me. Appreciate it. I am your host, the Stock Sniper. I am your host. As we see in a big red candle, we see in a big red candle. Wow. Big red candle on the sell-off. And it looks like we're going even lower. There go those EMAs pointing down again as we come up to support. I mean resistance. Great first 5 minutes of the day so far. Great 5 minutes of the day. 135.63 is the low of the day. All the EMAs are pointing down. Even that VWAP is pointing down. So we're going lower. We're going even lower, y'all. Going even lower. Let's see what's gonna happen. Just watching right now. Just watching. Let me see something. Okay, the next support is 130, 135.30, 135.75. I want to catch 135.50. 135.50. 137.71 is the high. We lost mostly $2 so far. Almost $2. It looks like we're forming a bear flag. See, that's the pole. Let me see. Let me erase this. This don't matter. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Well, yeah. There's no reason to draw the bear flag. We're already out of that. Let's see. Horizontal line. No, you don't do the horizontal line. No, I ain't gonna do it. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Here we go. Big pullback. AMD is now in the red. It's looking like NVIDIA is going to follow. Let's see what Google is doing. Google on the move. Apple on the move. Let's see. Let's see. SPY, Tesla to the downside. So we got NVIDIA steady going down. Wow, look at Google. Yeah, I'm just checking out these other companies. Go back to NVIDIA. 135.21. It just couldn't hit that 135 even on a good bounce play. I don't like when that happened. One trade so far, 6%. I think I'm done for the day on that. Yeah, I think I'm done. Let's see. We are barely 10 minutes in. It's real early. It's real early. Let's see. Now I'm just if I pull another trade, it got to be the perfect setup, right? It got to be perfect. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, I'm just not even gonna do it. But one so far, 6%. I am not gonna take the second one unless it's a perfect setup. And it has to be the perfect setup. The market been open for 10 minutes, for 12 minutes. It has to be the perfect setup. And I'm not seeing it. Not yet. 135.21. I'm not seeing it right now. It got to be a crazy movement. I ain't seeing it right now. Hey, 30, 15 minutes in. Let's see what Bitcoin up to. Bitcoin is trying to make its way back up. It's trying to U-shape back on up past that 100K. Okay, 1 minute. Tesla. Let's go back to what was jumping? It was Apple. Let's go look at Apple. I haven't traded Apple in a while. Let's see what Apple is doing. We did have that good run up. 249.47 on Apple. They're going video on the move. Going above all these EMAs now. Let me see if I can get some on video to that upside. Let's see. We're moving above. We're trying to get above all these EMAs and the VWAP. Trying to get above the VWAP. Let's see. Trying to get above that VWAP. We're above the 9. We're above the 13. We're above the 20. And now we are above the VWAP. Now we're above the VWAP. Let's see what's going to happen. Now we're above the VWAP. Now we're looking to push up. Now we're looking to push up. See what the next candle gonna do. Let's see what this next candle gonna do. We're above all the EMAs and the VWAP. That's a sign that we're gonna move on up to the top. Let's see. Oh, first candle came out red. All right, here we go. Go above. Let's see. Are we gonna go back inside of the water? Or are we gonna bounce off the water? We're bouncing off the water. Oh, there we go. That juke. Perfect trade. Even though I didn't get in, but I just called out another trade on these the EMAs and the VWAP. Perfect trade. Good red candle. Perfect call out. As we get another jolt. Perfect call out. I didn't take it though, but a perfect trade. On the U-shaped pattern. Ooh! U-shaped pattern. All the EMAs took their rightful spot with the VWAP, and we got a pop. Good call out, stock sniper. Just called out another trade. To the upside this time. But I didn't take it, which is fine. Wow. I didn't take it though, which is fine. Matter of fact, I'd have messed up. I'm glad I didn't take it. But I didn't take it, which is fine. But I called out another trade as we try to get uphill to the 137.71 to complete the U-shaped pattern. Everything is looking bullish. All the EMAs and the VWAP are in a rifle position up under the candle because the stock market naturally wants to go up. The EMAs, the 13, the 9, and the 20, and the VWAP, all they got to take their natural place, which are up under the candles. That's how it works with NVIDIA. We are 20 minutes in. One so far, 6%. One good call out, which I did not get in, right? And we're steady on the move on up. Looking for the 137.71 break of the support. Of the resistance. Man, I keep saying the wrong thing. Looking for the 137.71 break of the resistance. 137.71. Can we break that 137.71? Can we break through this resistance line? That's what we're trying to see right now. Will it break this resistance? I think it is. We got all the momentum. We got all the EMAs pointing up with the VWAP. We're going to break this resistance line. Boom, told you. I called it out. Called it out for the move on up. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Look, told you. Just called out another play. I noticed, man, that's the power of studying these companies the way they move on this chart. That's two I done called out. Really three. I got in one, but I didn't. These two that I just called out, I didn't jump in. I'm just chart reading right now. I'm satisfied with my 6%. 137.92. 137.92. What, Jesse Bitten, what platform are you trading on? It's Webull. It's Webull. I'm starting to love Webull, man. I love it. My main platform is TD Ameritrade, but since I've been reviewing Webull for the past 2 months, I haven't went back to TD Ameritrade yet. Yeah, I like Webull. It's very easy, especially like when I'm off the computer and I'm out and about, and I can use the mobile app on my phone. It's very easy, crisp. It's easy to pull the trigger once I'm out and something happens, or a big move, or I get an alert. Right? I can easily get on my phone, and just pull the trigger if I have to. Yeah, I like Weed Bull a lot. I like it. Yeah, I like it a lot. I'm still reviewing it. I just been a long review. I'm supposed to be reviewing Robin Hood Legend, but for some reason I just can't get off Weed Bull. I just can't. But I'm gonna have to. I want to do a review on Robin Hood Legend, like I did, like I am doing on Weeble, and then I want to do another review on Moo. But for some reason, I just can't get off Weeble. I love it so much. Yeah, I like it a lot. Okay, 138 is the new resistance. What a move though, man. Off of the 13 to 9, 13 to 9 in the 20 and the VWAP break right here. What a move. What a move. What a move. 20 minutes, my day is basically over. I'm satisfied. I called out 3 trades. One I took, and the other two was basically just chart reading, and I didn't take a trade on those two. Let me look at Apple. Apple on the move. Apple had news today, positive news. I think it has something to do with Chat GPT, if I ain't mistaken. They integrating Chat GPT with Siri. That's what I think what happened. That's what I think. But I know they had good news. Apple did. We watch Apple a little bit as pre-market. Yeah, we had a ooh, big huge green count on Apple. Yeah, Apple had news this morning. Uh, Google on the move. Let's see what the overall spy doing. On the move. Yeah, the market is heating up today, man. That CPI data came out flat, so that's pretty decent news. You know what I'm saying? It came out flat, so that's pretty decent. It was what was expected. Inflation from month to month, that's what was expected. So that's pretty decent news today. So the market should continue to make a move today. Shout out to all the bulls. The market should still continue to go up today. Tesla, let's see what's up with Tesla. Shout out to Amazon. Shout out to everybody that has joined the stream. You could be anywhere, but you rocking it with me. I appreciate you, appreciate you, appreciate you. I just need you to do me a favor and hit the like button so the notification can go out and we can get more people in here, more like-minded people come over here and and give their game on the stock market and what's going on today, because not on over here you can also give great advice inside of the chat on what you're trading, what you're looking at, tips, everything. That's one thing about me and us over here at Stock Sniper TV. We don't think we know it all. There's always room for growth. Sometimes it be some great people that come over here and comment, you know, and alert us on some great plays that we could go look at. So I appreciate the chat. Everybody that come over here and rock with the chat, appreciate you. Then there's some people that's not into day trading. They just support the channel, and just support me, and I appreciate you. Look, we got a pullback now. We're up under the resistance. We got a slight little pullback as we are back inside of the water. I call the EMAs, I call it the water, because once the candles go inside of this water, it kind of reminds me of swimming, swimming against currents. Usually when the candles get inside of these EMAs, it's very difficult for it to go above the EMAs or below the EMAs. So I like to look at it like it's water. That's how I like to look at it. Pretty decent news today. Inflation, CPI report came out and it was flat. So that's pretty decent news today. It's what they expected it to be in November. Came out even. It still rose a little bit, but it rose what they expected it to rise. That's what it says. It didn't mean that inflation did not rise last month. It just means that it rose to the percentage that they thought that it was supposed to go up. That's all that means. So you can take it if you personally think it's good news or not. But according to them, that's good news because they expected. That's like saying, if as an example, if if these eggs cost $1, as an example, these eggs cost $1 last month, and I'm expecting the same eggs to cost $1.25 this month, and eggs did go up. It went up 25 cents. So I expected eggs to rise 25 cents, and it rose to 25 cents. If that makes sense, that's what that report meant this morning. It didn't. If I expected eggs to go up from $1 to $1.25, and it went up from $1 to $1.50, that would have been bad news. Inflation did go up in the month, but it went up to what I expected it to go up. That's what that report meant. So with that being said, you can take it your personal self to see if you think that was good news or not. But to the economists and the financial people, because they are the ones that set the numbers, really, really smart guys, they think that was what was expected. So that's good news. That's the explanation of it. Simple. When they say, good news today, CPI was even. Inflation still went up, but it went up to the percentage that we expected it to go. So it didn't go lower than expectations, and it didn't beat expectations. Now I think that if I say I expect this dollar eggs as an example to go up 25 cents, and it went up $1, only went up 10 cents, that's to me would be better news than what we got this morning. But it's good news to them because the price of the eggs didn't go up no more than what they expected it to go up. So in other words, the smart guys was right. Man, it's only gonna go up to 25 cents this month. Okay. And it only went up to 25 cents. So bingo, we was right. That's what that means. Yeah, that's exactly what it means. We're back up under resistance back inside of the water. Okay, now we are back up under the EMAs. And when we are up under the EMAs, it usually means that we're going down. But we got the VWAP. VWAP can also hold up as support. So let's see if we crack the VWAP. We can either bounce off the VWAP or crack it. So that's what we're about to see right now. It's 9 o'clock, 30 minutes in the market. That's what we're about to see right now. Or we're going to bounce off of this yellow line, which is the VWAP, or we're going to crack it. The EMAs are back above the candle, so it's showing that it wants to go down. As we got another joke. If we break this VWAP, expect it to go down even further. Let's see. Just watching. Just watching. Lower shadow. Bounce off the VY. If we break below this VY, expect a drop. If we don't break below this VY, expect up down movement in between this VY and these EMAs. I don't like up down, up down, up down. Okay, can we break the VWAP? If we break that VWAP, expect a drop. Let's see. The next candle is going to be very important. Next candle is very important. These are 1 minute candles. Next candle is very, very important. We did go below the VWAP, but then we got a lower shadow. So the VWAP is still acting as support. The next candle is very important. Is it possible that we can bounce off the VWAP like we did yesterday and get those big red candles, big green candles? Is it possible? Been live 35 minutes. If you're just not joining the show, big day today. CPI data came out. It's your boy, the Stock Sniper. Hit the like button so we can get more people inside of the lives. Specifically, like-minded people inside of the lives to give their opinion, to alert, you know. Let's see. Can we crack this VWAP and head even down even further? If you're a trader, I need you to hit the like button. We need to get, the goal is to get as many traders in here as possible. Experienced, experienced and non-experienced traders in here. That's the goal. I want more traders commenting, giving opinions. It's enough bread out here in this market for everybody. That was so lovely about the stock market. Can't be greedy in the stock market. So we need as many traders in here as possible to teach us some things. Stock sniper don't know everything, and I don't want to know everything. This is not the think I know everything channel. This ain't that. What a bounce off the VY. What a bounce off that VY. What a bounce off that VY. Showing movement up now. Let's see what's gonna happen. What a bounce off that VY. Yep. That VY holding up as support. Can we get above this little resistance right here, 137.30? A little small resistance right here, 137.30. Up. Back up under the VWAPs again. I mean, back up under the EMAs. Okay. Been live 40 minutes. One trade so far, 6%. I did call out two that I didn't get in on those, but those are just as important as the one that I actually did get in. So I'm looking at those as wins too, like successful trades. I'm looking at those other two as a success as well. Okay, we got how many touches on this VWAP? One, two, three. Three touches on the VWAP. Going for four. Going for four. As we're starting to build lower highs. Let me go and put that up there right now. We're starting to build lower highs. That's not as accurate, but we get the idea. We're starting to build, oh God, we're starting to build lower highs. Let's see. As we go up, down, tread through the water. But this VY bounce turned out to be a good bounce. Turned out to be a great bounce. 40 minutes in. We got to get over the 137.30 area. Still building lower highs. I'm going to try to make this a little bit more accurate for us. Take it like that. Broke it. Now we need to get above this 137.30. I don't like this wishy-washy up, down, up, down, up, down movement. Let me see. 50 minutes in. I forgot because I did start early. Appreciate y'all for joining me and rocking with me. Please hit the like button. The goal is to get more traders, more like-minded people inside of this chat. You know, because once other traders and other guys come in and comment, then they can give us alerts, you know, and tips on how to be better traders. So please just do me a favor, hit that like button. And I want more traders in the chat in the mornings. That's the goal. I want more like-minded people in the chat. Experience, not experience, curious. Because once we get more traders in here, then they can alert us on where the money at. They might be like I'm watching the video. They might be watching Apple, for an example. They might be watching Google, you know. They might be watching Tesla. They come in and, hey, y'all need to go check out Tesla. Tesla is up such percent. Tesla had this type of news or whatever. It might can insight us on the news, you know. There might be some news that we miss. Somebody else can say, hey, look, this one just happened. It just got released. Go check it out. And we can hurry up and go over there and go check it out. Amazon just released this, that. Fresh, hot off the press. So just do me a favor, hit that like button, especially if you're a trader or you interested in trading or you follow other platforms that talk about investing in trading. Hit the like button. Comment. Oh, Bitcoin is over 100K. Bitcoin pushed over 100K. That's why dollar cost averaging is so important, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's so important. Because even though we went to that 104, 105 area, another wholesale on Bitcoin, 94,000, 92,000. That's how you catch them dips. That's why I always preach. Have your brokerage account loaded already. So you can load up long term on some of these coins and these companies when they go on a wholesale. Look, 104, 104,000, 92,000. That's a good deal. 94 is really a good deal. That is really strong support. Matter of fact, I'm about to move that. That is strong support right there. 94, 95,000 on Bitcoin. Great dip buys. Boom, boom, boom. To lower your price or just to start, if you just starting to get in. Now we back over 100K. Great dip buy on Bitcoin. Okay. Great dip buy at the VWAP, which is support line. 15 minutes, been on live almost an hour. Almost an hour. Because my goal is to do this for an hour. I got my trade out of the way, so I was able to do a little chart reading for a little bit. So that's good. Perfect day. Great day today. Great day. Great day. I'm going to get in and out of here by 9:15. Great day. Great day. Yes. This was a great day. 1 hour, start early, 8:15 or 8:20, I mean, before the market even open, have everything ready to rock and roll, already be prepared, already had a mindset of being in trading mode, you know what I'm saying? Already be at the chart, reading the chart with everything ready to rock and roll. You know what I'm saying? So by the time I go live, At 8:20, I'm already ready to go. My mindset is already here. I'm 10 to 15 minutes ahead of everybody else, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Great day, productive day, and it's just starting. And it's just starting. And then I can spend the rest. Even I get off here, I get off live, and I'm done with this. Boom, close the brokerage. I'm over with. But that does not mean that I keep my mind and my eyes off this stock market or off of information. I spend the rest of the day, even though I do, move over and get entertained. I do my little bit of entertainment, but majority of the day is focused on investing, day trading, and what's going on. Yeah, just because I close this computer down, I don't say, well, man, I ain't worrying about the stock market no more. I'm not worrying about no. This is an all-day process. And then here and there, whatever I'm entertained by, that's what I'm entertained by. But majority of the day, I've programmed, it's in my subconscious mind. So in other words, that's a routine. I'm gonna do it no matter what. But I got to have a little entertainment in there, just to have a little fun, whatever entertains me. Have a little fun off of there, being entertained, laughing and giggling, joking about what entertains me. And that's the day in the life of the stock sniper. So with that being said, as we go right back up under those EMAs, few more minutes left, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna get out of here when I'm supposed to get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here when I'm supposed to get out of here. Right, perfect day today. Perfect day. The timing is perfect. Everything been going right. That's why I gotta practice. I gotta thank God for YouTube. I gotta thank God for streaming, because I stream and then I go over my live streams at night, and it's making me more persistent. Now I'm closing this down before 9:30. Before 9:30, I got my trade out the way. I'm not trading no 10 times a day. I'm not doing that no more. One good trade, I'm straight. One good trade and I'm straight. The other 30 minutes or 45 minutes, I'm chart reading. I'm preparing myself for the next day. And that's what it's about. So I appreciate everybody for joining me. Appreciate it. Earn, spend less, and invest. Earn, spend less, and invest. I appreciate y'all. Y'all could be anywhere else, but y'all coming over here, rocking and interacting with me. And we appreciate that over here. Appreciate it. Let me know if you got a YouTube channel. I'll subscribe to you. I'll come over there and kick it with you, because it's all about learning and growing. It's 2025 coming up, man. And I want everybody to have the best 4 or 5 years. And it starts in 20 days. So with that being said, I love and I appreciate y'all. Much success to everybody. Much success to everybody. Make sure you hit the like button, share the live. As we gonna break, let's see what's gonna happen right here. Is it gonna be a bounce or a drop up under the VWAP? If we crack this VWAP, look for a good size red candle, but we keep bouncing off of it. We keep bouncing. That's 1 touch, 2, 3, now 4. 4 touches off that VWAP. Let's see. We're going to crack it. If we crack it, look for a good red candle. Let's see. Let's see. It's fighting though. Can it break support? We got selling coming in. Selling coming in. Can we break support? Boom! I just called out another play. And with that being said, I love and I appreciate y'all. 704 Wall Street is my block. 704 Wall Street is my block. Earn, spend less, and invest. It's your boy, the Stock Sniper. To the next one, I'm out.